Milestone 2, task 1. And Claire, the first images I see are your figurative self-portraits. You've got great variety in this particular project. Just going to bring it down to look at the overall information that you sent. And I see that you put it into a collection, which is excellent. But we don't have any keywords attached to it. You did say that you're kind of looking at it and you had a little bit of issue with it. So, keep working on that. You need to have that for your submission. Now, I just want to talk to you about a couple things, other than getting your keywords. Um, you have a bit of a yellow cast on this image because I don't see any white. There should be some white on here. So, in order to fix that, I'd added some, we need to add some blue back into the image. And as you can see now we are there are some whites in the picture and that yellow cast is gone. So you do that with the white balance and then say about 25%. Take yellow out, put about 25%, minus 25 on the blue. Everything turned blue, but the picture is the main object. You have a nice variety. You got your feet, you got the camera, looking at the camera, holding it. Can also use a tripod. You have a camera that could be on a tripod using a time exposure, and that is probably the way to really do it. Now let's look at your next set, and you've got some nice objects. Lovely kitty. I always give extra credit for kitty pictures. One of the things, again, I'm going to show you adding some blue back into the image. And let me just, as you can see by doing that, it's probably closer to the way that you had the image. All of these images are really the same. It's the same lighting. It's the same. Nothing's changed other than you moved very, very slightly. So you really need to have more variety in these images. Let's go again. I want to, looking at all of them together. So you could have gotten different points of view, gotten down lower on the bed, got some close-ups, just taken certain sections of the image. For instance, just like a vertical shot of a few things, just a picture of the kitty, moving them a little bit, getting different lighting on there. So we want to see variety as you're taking these images. And that's the whole idea of, kind of experimentation also, vertical, horizontal, page orientation. So, and also you don't have keywords on here. So you do need to learn how to do the keywords. The keywords you can do in several ways. Go back and reread the instructions, and if you need help, contact me and I'll go over it with you. But the keywords you just add to each image. You just click on it, go to keywords, type in the keyword, and it will then be recorded whenever you click on that particular image. Or you have a keyword list to use. But you have a great start on this project. Again, more variety on this. You got some great objects. Get closer in. We want to make it larger. And you know, look at all the variety you have on here. So take some of these images separately and maybe put them on a different location. You can put them on a window. Let's use a window light. Um, Careful with the candle on the bed with the kitty. All right. Shoes, you know, you can put them in a variety of settings. So I want to see a little bit of variety in here. Other than that, good work.